guess who's here? Hello you guys, I hope that you, look how dirty my room is. I hope you guys are all having a good day wherever you are. My hair is kind of reflecting how I'm feeling right now, which is a little crazy. I think like we're all kind of losing it right now, or not even like losing it, like we're all going a little crazy, but just know you're not alone. I thought today I would take you guys along for a little vlog, a little vloggy, since I know a lot of you guys want to see snow and just kind of know like what we're up to. I know a lot of other YouTubers are like making fucking banana bread and cleaning their whole house and organizing. I'm doing a little bit of that, but mostly no, not really. Let's be real. I want to wake up and be like, oh my God, I'm gonna clean the house today. I'm gonna freaking organize these drawers, like Marie Kondo the shit out of my closet. It just hasn't been happening. I'm like, yeah, I think I'll just Netflix for a little bit. I think I'll just hang out on social media and make my anxiety a little worse. Like that's kind of how I've been doing over here. But you know, I just have to like be in the mood to like want to clean shit, and lately I just haven't, so it's not happening. But I will take you downstairs. We'll go hang out with Snow. I'll show you guys. Actually, my husband made banana bread because he's like fucking the godsend. So I'll show you guys that. We made like a healthy version, and yeah, kind of just hang out for the day. So Snowy right now, we are trying to potty train. So, oh, uh-oh.
You might want to give an explanation of why we have it out here for right now.
Oh, so if anyone's wondering why the potty thing is here, is because we have this baby gate up and then the bathroom is over here, so it's kind of hard to, you know, get her all the way over there every time we're trying to go to the bathroom or to the potty.
Plus it's a really small bathroom.
Yeah, so this is currently what the house is looking like real life. If you hear something in the background, we are making water, or distilling water, since some people like to jump down my throat and tell me like, you can't make water, Shannon. We call it making water. If you notice, we used to have plants here and we actually just put that plant back, but Snow has been getting in the dirt and trying to eat it. So hi Bubby, sweet girl, sweet girl. Yeah, hi, can you say hi? Hello. Hi. So my sister propagated this plant. It's so cute, and we named it Planty, her little sister plant. At her work, they had a bunch of plants, and because people aren't able to go to work now, she brought all the plants to like save them so they don't die. She propagated that, and she's like, do you want a plant? I was like, oh my God, yes! What a great gift. I actually propagated some of her plants, and they're doing so well. You can see like the roots on them are like so gnarly. I think these are the pothos. There's some of the leaves are literally growing in the water. Like that's so cool. I need to like pot them, but I don't have any pots. And they're doing so well like in the water. I'm getting a bunch of the giveaway stuff ready to like send out, so I have a pile there. Does she have clothes on? Can I see her? Hi, bubbies. So precious.
Okay.
She wants the camera. Look at this. This is her little play yard. We got her this little blue tunnel from Target and she loves it. I've seen so many of the moms with like older kids get like the blow up bouncy things and put them like, oh no, don't cry. Do you want a blow up bouncy? You do? You want me to get you a blow up bouncy? I don't think you're old enough yet. Maybe you are. So like people are putting in their front yards or their backyards. And my sister Chantel Mama 3 on Instagram, I've been begging her to make videos, and she's, oh, I think that's our neighbor. We were making jokes that he's building a bunker in his house because we hear him like building stuff every day in his garage. It's kind of funny. But anyway, my sister, Chantel Mama 3, literally put one of those blow up bouncies in her living room, like in her house. It's freaking awesome. She says her kids love it. To all the moms doing that, you guys are awesome. There she is. Do you want to say hi? Oh, guess who's here? I think Mommy Joy just got here. Where's Mommy Joy? Is Mommy Joy here? Come on, let's go get her. Where is she? Where is she? Mommy Joy, is that you? Hi.
How are you? Hi, cutie pie. Hi, sweetheart.
Aww.
Let me wash my hands really quick.
Here, do you want me to
okay?
grab that for you? Whoa, that looks good. Is that Mommy Joy?
Let me wash my hands. Washy, washy, washy.
Washy, washy, washy. Oh, my sweet girl. Are you waving hi to Mommy Joy? Hi, Mommy Joy. You guys, my mom spends so much time with Snow. Snow loves her. Oh, Brittany brought me this plant today.
Oh, spider plant.
Is it a spider?
Yeah, spider plant. You want to touch it? Be gentle. Oh, you want to smell it? No smell. Want to touch it?
We named it Planty.
Touch it.
Planty.
It's a plant. Say hi. Hi.
She wants the camera.
Did you even show them my world?
I did tell them that you made banana bread.
Growing so fast.
All natural.
Okay, I will hold you. Ooh, look at that. Wow, you've eaten a lot of that. You made it healthy and it's still really yummy. You picking your nose?
Less sugar,
You
less,
picking a winner?
like no processed
What do you
stuff
want it
at
in?
all.
Vegan for gold? Got an avocado? What is that? Did you make that?
Yes.
How cool.
Put your
and
finger
cute.
in there and try it. It's a little tangy. You like Dijon mustard. It's just Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, and
Oh, you made that?
extra virgin olive oil.
Yum. That's delicious, Mom. Thank you. Hey, oh no, she just freaking ate the avocado. Oh no, baby, we don't eat the skin. Come here, do you want some? I'll give you
Here's some. How much do you want? You like it a lot?
Yeah, that's good.
I mean, I made it for you. It's easy to make.
No, I know, but just, I don't want it too much.
Snow, you want to try it? We could cut it up. Has she had salad?
Not like that before. My
little
back is
bit
hurting.
too.
From holding you so much, Snowy. You're getting so big.
Here's Snow, one bite.
She sticks her tongue
It's
out.
a little tangy.
Oh, she likes.
It's tangy, that's why. She's gonna be like, what is this? Mushroom.
She likes it.
Mmm.
Good girl.
Mushroom, yummy.
She likes them cooked. I've never seen her eat them raw before. She's so tall. You guys, she's so tall. Travis and I are actually not tall at all. We're pretty short. But our grandparents were tall.
She's eating it, Shan.
Good girl. So basically, all I was saying was, I just like can't believe everything that's going on right now. I feel like it's just so weird, right? Like, when have we ever all been kind of, what?
You okay, baby?
What happened?
Nothing. She stuck her tongue out.
Well, maybe we give her a break just
Where's her water?
to not feed too much in case she's allergic, God forbid. Basically just saying like how crazy it is that like we're all on an order to be kind of locked in our house. I'm tired. And it's not just like happening in one place, like it's happening worldwide. I posted that I got an emergency alert the other day on my phone that basically said like all of LA County, like all the beaches, the trails, like everything's closed off to the public. And I posted that and I was like, did anyone else like in LA County also get this? And then people from like Canada and like all kinds of different places were saying like, yeah, we got the same thing. Like all different countries, states, like we're all being shut down. It's just so weird. Like I honestly, like I still can't believe this is happening. It's so weird what's going on. It's like something out of a movie. It's just tripping me out. This is the delicious. No, honey, what's wrong? Constantly wants me to hold her and I love holding her, but it kills my back to hold her for so long. What is this?
I put the dressing on
Oh,
it. You're gonna like
really?
it. You like that dressing.
You're so sweet, honey.
Pick it up.
You're so cute.
Thirsty. Oh my goodness. Take a sip and go.
Can you say mama? Oh,
Go.
okay, that's right. Oh, she's still trying to nurse on me, you guys. It's so sad after all this time. I know, honey. Can you say dad? Can you say dad?
Dada? Here. Oh, squish you.
Oh, honey.
Come
Okay,
here,
mommy's
baby.
gonna read to you.
Is that a lion? A tiger?
Oh my god, we watched the funniest thing on Netflix last night. Joe Exotic. I think that's, oh, you have to watch it. It's really
Here, let's
interesting.
read it.
Oh, Tiger King.
Where do
yeah.
you live?
I was showing my mom how cute these clothes are from Ladita.
Ooh, it feels so good.
How adorable these are. This little dress.
good. Where are you going?
These
Look, she's got
cozy
the
soft
pants on her
pajamas.
arms.
I know, she's trying to already put them on.
Oh.
Oh, you like them? You like your new clothes?
She's like, put them on me. Look at her.
You say thank you.
The colors are beautiful.
Oh my god, I love them. They're so soft and like well made. Look how cute this little romper
her, look
is.
at her.
Love these colors too.
Oh, she's putting them on. Good job, Snow. Except they're pants, and you're putting them on your arm.
She likes how soft they are. They probably feel good on her.
Ooh,
So
nice.
adorable. So every day we get to get out of the house. It's like our daily walk of being able to get out. So right now I'm gonna put my sneakers on and me and my mom and Snowy are gonna go get some fresh air, a little bit of exercise, hopefully a little bit of vitamin D. Okay, you guys, so basically I just gave Snow a bath and then I think I'm gonna jump in the shower and kind of call it a night. I'm getting tired. Oh, it's been a long day. Are you calling for mommy? I'm right here, baby. I'm right here. Hi, I'm coming. Can I come over here? You want to come sit with me? You're getting tired. I know it's almost your bedtime. You guys, she's trying to nurse on me. Every day she tries to pull my boob out. It's been like almost 3 months since she's nursed. Hey, it's okay. I'm right here. We're going to get you. Here, do you want to hold the camera? Whoa. Is that Snowy? Is that the snow cam? Okay, I'm going to get you some milk, okay? Say thank you, Daddy. Here we go. Here we go. Is that better? So we give her the bottle because it's like the nipple of the bottle obviously like emulates my boob, and then that's the one thing that like calms her down. I hope she gets over this. Hey, we're octagon. That's a hard one. Octagon. Toys, train, rattles, stuffed animal, and ball. Pencils, telephone, and car. I'm gonna sell it. Channon Rose, I'm an example of how you can change. They used to tell me that I would be nothing, now I got a million supporting my name.